Toxins. Toxins are one of the most vulnerable and the dangerous element to the body. But what exactly is the toxins, and how do we feel that we are a toxic person? The first symptom when you have a high amount of toxicity in your body is a neurological disorders. So we have lots of questions that how frequently we should do the detox, or when we should do the detox. Everything, the answer lies in everybody's lifestyle. So the first symptoms what people experience when the body becomes highly toxic is the neurological problems, neurological condition. Now, a certain type of a brain fog, a certain type of, not having a proper concentration, not having a proper memory. Sometimes, of course, insomnia is a major thing which also comes with a neurological disorder, but even sometimes lethargic, sleeping a lot, being in the bed for the whole day, but waking up tired and fatigued. So these are some major symptoms, the first symptoms which people experience when they have a high amount of toxicity in the body. Neurological conditions can even expand up to like dementia, Alzheimer's, even like Parkinson's. So even when we talk about such conditions, look, there are no known cause, there is no known effect for such things, but there is something which is triggering them out. For example, autoimmune condition. This is also second important symptoms what we have when our body is highly toxic. So autoimmune condition, when the body start hurting itself, body is such an amazing machine, it never hurts itself, why would it? But yes, when we have some certain unwanted or certain unaccepted things in the body have to react in a certain way, and that's how the autoimmune disorder comes. Any type of problems related with the thyroid, related with the adrenal fatigue, related with the gastrointestinal tract, your GI problems, specifically the digestive problems, the problems when the body is unable to expel toxic out of the body. Like when we talk about the Vitalica, we say we have three major important things. The first one is the poop. Yes, we make sure that intestine should work good. You should be having good intestine bowel motions every day, so that how you releases the toxins out of the body. The second important symptom is the gastrointestinal tract symptom. The symptoms which is something when we are doing everything right, but our machines, our digestive system is not working at its best. Today everybody knows that we should not eat gluten, we should not eat lactose, we should not eat some certain amount of chemicals, some certain amount of food, but still we see here people coming up with lots of different type of gastrointestinal complaints. They don't eat gluten, they don't eat lactose, but still the complaint is still there. What is the reason? Of course, the gastrointestinal tract, your digestive system is not that much healthy, is not that much strong that it is able to digest the food which you are eating. There may be many different reasons, there may be many different causes because of it. We all use, you see, whenever we have an upset stomach, we go to a certain medicines which protects the stomach, but for a certain limits they help us for a week or 2 weeks maximum. Let's say this medicines, digestive medicines, we say okay, use it for a 6 weeks something time, but not more than 6 weeks, because certain medicines also sometimes affects the digestive enzyme, the secretion of the digestive enzymes in the body, and that's also come up with either suppression of the digestive enzyme or the increasing of the digestive enzymes. That's how our pancreas, our liver get affected. So the gastrointestinal symptoms, like always having a bloating, always like feeling heaviness in the body, problem going to the toilet, or either there are both the sides, either sometimes is a huge constipation or it's a diarrhea also as well. So these type of problems also indicate that the body is full of toxic elements. The body needs to be cleaned properly so that the body can regenerate again. So there are two major problems. First, as I told you, the neurological condition, and the second one is the gastrointestinal tract position. Whenever you feel like your two systems are not working properly, that's the time for you to do the detoxification. That's the right time for you to come to do the detoxification. We can do it in the home, we can do it in the programs, but the important thing is that you should give yourself such an environment where there shouldn't be any type of disturbance, where there shouldn't be any type of cushions. You should go with the flow, and that's why coming to such type of centers like Vitalica Wellness provides you the environment, the process where you are motivated, you are encouraged to do some certain type of activities, to do some certain type of things, and that's how you get the benefit in a small time period.